Every collection is born with exactly one index, on_ID. That's the whole reason find one by ID is instant. But every other field? That's a full collection scan. Find year 2014 has to examine all 8 documents, or all 80 million. Create index changes that. Create index, year 1. Now MongoDB keeps a sorted map of the years. Your queries don't change at all. MongoDB simply notices the index is there and quietly uses it. And this is the whole difference. Without an index, it's a call scan. Walk every single document, checking each one. With an index, it's an IXSCAN. Jump straight to the matches. On 8 documents, who cares? On 80 million, it's everything. But every index is a bargain. Reads on that field get fast, but now every write has to update the index too. And it costs memory. So index the fields your real queries filter and sort on, not every field in sight. Want to watch it decide? Call explain on a find, and it tells you COLLSCAN or IXSCAN. That one word is the very first thing a performance investigation looks at. Compound indexes cover 2 fields at once, and unique, text, and geo are all just index variants underneath.